Digits reflect receipt. Okay, valid questions, but tell me honestly, has it even happens to you that someone receives your favorite food and you had more things your body clothes takes and things you felt so stops that events breathing becomes a taste. Now, if someone asks you to walk 10 kilometers in such a situations, would you be able to do? Probably not. And I am is and I am speaking from experience. Something similar happens with our friends. Excessive eating can make you feel tired, soulless, or hasted. And if you eat junk things, sometimes it even causes vomiting, stomach ache, or worse, food poisoning. All in all, it's very obsessive. That's what you eat, you will produce. In simple words, junk in, junk out. So if safe to say that we eating junk foods very day you cannot expect to build a healthy body, and you also understand that you cannot force your body to eat constantly for 2 hours. I mean, it down the questions, but I am just making sure that we are on the same page. You eat, you feel the stuff, and then you didn't eat for another 4 to 5 hours until you feel hungry again, right? Then why do you treat your brains like a dustbin? Why do you keep consuming contents through social media, videos, books? Like your brains can take it all consistency for hours. Why do you expect your brains to work creatively when it's so filled with garbage? That's even thinking streets feels like a task beyond your capacities. Just as eating junk food doesn't give you a healthy body, similarly, consuming junk worthy contents on make you any smarter. And just as you didn't feed your body with food for hours, similarly, you cannot feed your brains with information and knowledge all the times, or it will use up every bit of mental powers and make your brains silly or drowsy. I didn't know how to make it simpler, but your mind will give you what you give to it. Junk in, junk out, and by consistently filling your brains for hours, you will end up destroying your basic mental capacity. Just your body needs the times to digest what you eat. Your brain also needs the times to digest what you consume. That times is the periods of conscious solitude where you choose to sit alone to let your brain digest whatever you consume without any disturbance or external noise. There is so much information and contents out there, so much advice and hack, and so many people and there's own different opinions and perceptions that if you didn't put a break on it, you will end up drawing in this West Sea. We are consistently consuming information for the outside world, but we never give our minds enough rest to digest what we have consumed. We are surrounded by so much information, opinions, and data That's events we didn't know what enters our minds. We listen to something powerful or something sad, something sad, powerful, and starts believing it without using your brain. It doesn't matter what the contents is positives or negatives. What matters is you didn't think anymore. YouTubers, broadcasters, authors, or social media influencers are also people's not good. Hence, it is not essential that what they say is correct or suitable for your life. Eliminates what doesn't make sense to you. Don't just consume the contents and say, "Oh my God, what a video" or "what a podcast." Think before you let any advice or thought sit in your mind. If you never leave your mind alone and consistently fill it with garbage and other opinions, you will be nothing but a collection of your external words. There is a word inside you too that you need to travel and explore. So your mind has a unique thoughts process and opinions as well, so that you should pay attention to. Tell me, if you never sit alone to listen to the voice inside you have wills ever knows what is going on inside you. The thoughts that enters your mind when you are alone and disconnected from the words are the thoughts that reflects who you are, what matters to you, and what your thoughts process. Sitting alone is thoughts I know, especially for people who have great deals of practice in launching at stupid TikTok videos that wouldn't matter after a second. You have trained your minds to live on cheap entertainments. You have trained your minds to numb itself as you waste another 2 hours scrolling to social media. So you didn't feel tired when you see your mobile screens for hours, but you feel tired when it comes to studying, learning new things, or working on the real stuffs. Then you feel distracted. So why becomes that's how things are designed. You didn't need to focus on looking at stupid jobs you see on social media or be lost amongst trending videos. That's why it is easier to enjoy social media, and that the some reasons why your mental muscles are getting weaker. So you and I are practicing every day to not practice focus. Read that again. All I can say it that sitting alone will be ours initially, but it is the needs of the hours as well. So you need to give your brains the time to digest what you consume. Reflects on what is important and delete what not, so that there is enough space again to fill your brains again. You need to give your minds the time to rest and let it be alone for a while to create a word that is unique, artistic, and now only to you. You need to choose to sit in solitude, feelings the freedoms that to chooses to sit in solitude, feelings the freedoms that comes with your company, and let your mind take some rest from the noise of the external world. Otherwise, as I said earlier, so you will end up becoming an average of your surroundings. The time your spends with yourself will help you filters out the garbage, curates your own opinions, always your thoughts, and study your beliefs. In simple words, detox your brain every day. Detox your brain every day.